All right, good morning, guys. Coach King here. Today I'm going to be going over your semester 1 Fitnessgram goal setting worksheet. Okay, so to go ahead and start off this worksheet, please do not forget to put your first and last name. That is key. Next is I need you to put in your test results for the Fitnessgram. So right here, for instance, pacers, you're going to go ahead and list how many pacers you did. You're going to list here how many push-ups you did and how many curl-ups you did when we test it out. Now, if you were not there for test date, then I want you to put what you think you would have received on your test. Okay, so maybe you missed test date. You think maybe you could do around 2 push-ups and list 2 push-ups. Okay, and try to be as accurate as possible. You can even, before doing this assignment, go ahead and try to do push-ups and see how many you can do. See how many curl-ups you can do. I know pacers are a little more difficult, but just try to your best guess with pacers. Now, moving on is your personal action plan. You are going to list your new goal. So for instance, if you did 10 pacers, then here, right below new goal, you would say 20 would be your new goal. And then you would need to list, okay, what exercises are you going to be doing to reach that new goal by the end of the school year. So for example here, I put run and swim, okay, and I believe that's going to help me reach my new pacer goal. But under plan of action, which you see here, you're going to see something called the FIT, which is the FIT principle. Okay, and we're going to get into detail exactly what that is. But under this section, what I want you to do is you're going to list how often you are going to run. So for instance, if I put run here, how often are you going to run? Is it going to be once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week? Be specific and list that there. Okay, and I would do it just like this. Okay, I would say 2 days a week. Okay, next would be intensity. Okay, and under intensity, I would say maybe first week I would run a mile. Okay, so for the first week, run a mile. Second week, 2 miles. Third week, 3 miles. Okay, so you're showing how you're increasing over time what you're doing, right? You're not going to just run a mile every single week, but as the weeks go by, you're increasing the mileage in which you are running. Okay, and then last but not least is your time. And so time, this can be a little bit, you have a little flexibility on this. It could be, I'm going to run for a mile, 30 minutes a day, or maybe you're measuring distance. So you would just put the same thing, for example, on this one, you would put that there, okay? Because it's showing this is what your time looks like. But if you weren't looking at distance and you were just looking at the amount of time you were running, you would say maybe 30 minutes per run, okay? And you would just put that under the time section. And that would be the same thing, guys, for your other sections. So for instance, push-ups, maybe I did pull-ups. I'm going to do pull-ups. That's my exercise to help me meet that goal. Okay, so the plan of action, I'm going to do pull-ups 2 times a week. Okay, under intensity, maybe I'm going to start off with 3 pull-ups. Okay, 3 pull-ups week 1. Forgive me for the spelling. Week 1. I'm going to go down and I'm going to see 4 pull-ups. Week 2. And I'm going to go so on and so forth. And then lastly, for the time period, how long are you doing these pull-ups for? What's the set and the reps look like? And we're going to kind of get into detail on what that kind of looks like. But maybe you say you're going to do pull-ups for about 5 minutes and you're going to cycle through it. So for week 1, you're going to do 3 pull-ups, take a break, try to do 3 pull-ups again, take a break, try to do 3 pull-ups again, take a break. Maybe you say you're going to try to fit in as many pull-ups as you can in 3 minutes. So I would put 3 minutes, okay? Making sure that you're taking breaks in that time. And then you would lastly do that for curl-ups. Okay, so this is what the assignment looks like. Again, I'm more focused on what are your new goals and what exactly are you going to do to meet those new goals. And then later on, we're going to get into detail to kind of perfect your plan of action. Okay, because we're going to be talking about sets, we're going to be talking about reps, we're going to be talking about rest time, which is key when regrowth of the muscle, making sure that you're taking in plenty of time to rest. So again, focus highly on what were your test results, what are your new goals, what are the new exercises that you want to do that, and try your best to fill out this section. We're going to get into detail and perfect this area on your plan of action around December. So thank you guys so much. If you have any questions, please email me. Do not be shy to email me or see me before or after class, and I'll be happy to help you guys out. Have a great day.